Good afternoon, everyone. It's Sunday afternoon in Pattaya. So let me show you this. This is something incredible. So what is incredible? What is incredible is it has rained. It is raining since morning. It's raining all day, and that's just incredible. We arrived on May the 17th. It's never rained. It might have rained at night, but basically there was no rain here in virtually 2 months. So would you credit it? It's actually rained. This is Irish rain, starts in the morning and seems to go on all day. Now of course it's hot rain, and it will end probably this evening, and that'll be it again for another couple of months. But yeah, this is something else to see a day's rain.